need to go get ready because we are going to see an apartment to live, because we need to vacate the place in like maybe like 2 weeks, so we don't have a lot of time. So I'm just gonna go get ready. I showered, I didn't put makeup, so I'm gonna get ready. And it's already, oh my god, it's 1:45, so I've got to go. I need at least an hour to get ready, so I'm going to get ready. I don't have a proper tripod, so I'm just trying to use what I have. So I need to look for the outfit because we are going for house hunting. So I want to look cute and all. So let me see what to wear. And I'm going to put makeup on my face. What about this beautiful dress? I love this. What do you think? Should I wear this for house hunting? How will I look, pretty or what? Or what about this skirt? Yes. I'm gonna wear this dress with a jacket. I think I should go with this one. Okay, here's my skirt. I like this skirt. Should I wear this skirt? It's more comfortable. Yeah. One sec, you guys. I recently purchased this top from Primark, so I might need. I think I might need to wear this time, and with this skirt. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I'm gonna wear this too. Okay, I got what I'm gonna wear. I got what I'm going to wear. This top and this. And just get ready, dress up, and come back to you and show you how I'm gonna do my makeup. So everybody, I am back. I have dressed up. Let me show you my outfit. I hope you can see. So this is what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna quickly do my makeup because we are going to go out, and we're gonna do a bit of like house hunting. Okay. Alright, sorry for that. I need to really like get ready. For that, I'm gonna put a lot and loads of makeup. You would be like, really? Am I crazy or what? Because you know what? I like to put makeup on. Anti-aging serum, because I am 45 years old and I want to look like, you know, wrinkle free. That's why. Okay. I'm gonna put Borderline. I bought this from India. Guys, I'm gonna take my concealer. I really need like a concealer, like my skin tone concealer, which matches my skin really well. I'm gonna conceal all my problematic areas. And I'm gonna also use color corrector. So for now I'm gonna use concealer. Quickly conceal my under eyes because I have bags. I mean, I really look like Panda if I don't put makeup on my face because, you know, I don't sleep that well. Eyelids. I'm gonna do like eyeshadow today. I don't have time. I've got only 40 minutes to get ready. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly put makeup on my entire face. I kind of like to do a lot of makeup when I'm going out, so I'm gonna like again do makeup inspired from Manchester Girls. I don't know why people like hate their makeup, and I love it. I mean, it's too much makeup and too much tanning. I'm naturally tan, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna tan my skin a bit more with dark foundations, but I'm gonna put a lot of makeup. I kind of love to do makeup. Look at my eyeshadow. It's blue. Wow, it's too blue. If you can see, it's blue. Oh, it's too much. So to make it quick, I'm just put one eyeshadow on my eyelids and just blend that, like buff it in, blend in really well. So I'll be back after I'm done with the eyeshadow. So guys, I'm finished with my eyeshadow. It looks horrible, I know, but I'm gonna fix it with like eyeliner So for that, I'm gonna take my black eyeliner. So if you, oh, I need to share a story, like how did I come here to England. A lot of people have questions, so I'm gonna make another video. I'll be sharing my experience and all. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly conceal. This is the best quality kajal. I spent like £8 on this kajal. It's by Rimmel London. Scandals Eyes Exaggerate Eye Definer. It is the best eye kajal I ever bought. So I'm gonna just, okay, I'm done with the kajal, and now it's time for concealer. I think, should I'm gonna experiment for the first time because I think this is like my skin tone. When I blend it in, it looks like my skin tone. This is two really different shades. I bought this accidentally, so now I'm gonna use it. The light shade, I'm gonna go here. My head is aching again. I don't know what is wrong with me. Okay, I'll take my foundation brush, mix both the foundations and get my skin tone. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? I'm gonna take my lovely powder brush and I'm gonna take my expensive powder. Oh my god, I got cheated. Like Super Duck are the cheaters. I mean, it was written over there that it's for £9, and when I actually, you know, went to the counter and I wanted it to be billed, it was £14. Since this is the only product I was buying, I could not tell that like I don't want it. It will be a little like, what? So I had to buy. But to be honest, this quality is way better than other powders. Oh my goodness. The powder is really powdery. Okay, I'm done. Time for eyebrows, and I'm gonna do really thick eyebrows. So okay, I'm done with my dark eyebrows. Let me just color a little more. So what do you think? I'm gonna take my colorful blush, kind of purplish, and I'm gonna go with, so when I put it like on my cheek, it turns like pinkish. It's time for fake eyelashes. Okay, for that I've got so many new packets of eyelashes from Amazon. Yeah, these are like my new packets. I bought so many from Amazon. Look at this, look at this. These are like my current favorite, but this I only wear it to work friendly eyelashes. But since, oh my goodness, since I'm going out today, so I want to really go with like thick eyelashes. Finally decided to go with this pair of eyelashes. They look really big and gigantic. Lash go directly on my lid, and I don't think so it's safe. Please don't experiment like I do unless you're sure. My eyelashes are always longer than my eyes. Can you see? Now you can see. I'm loving it. I love my face with a lot of makeup. Okay. It's time for lipstick. Contouring, I want to take my contouring powder, and I got a new contouring brush from Primark. I buy a lot of things from Primark, so I'm gonna take that contouring brush. I'm gonna just take a little powder. Oh, eyelash glue dries clear. I have to, like, you know. Now I'm gonna use my lipstick. So for that, I'm gonna use a lip liner. Really soft lip liner. Go with the brown lipstick. I'll go with the brown lipstick. This is my new lipstick I got from some Indian store in Maidstone. Wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna use some like really light lipstick over it, so I can, you know, balance it. Okay. Strong, because in this country I cannot really find scrunchies, to be honest. Like, I looked in so many different places, I could not find a good scrunchie. Okay, I'm gonna take this big lipstick. This costed me about like £12, I think. NYX Lingerie Double XL. It's so much product in there, so I actually bought just to neutralize, like, you know, I've got a lot of like dark lipsticks, like really dark browns and reds and all, so I want to mute my lipstick down by using this type of. So with this, I'm gonna go with lip gloss. A lip gloss I got from Hydra Juice Peptide Lip Balm Cherry Kit. I got it from Primark. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's 2 o'clock. I have to run. Okay, should I do like messy bun? Okay, I'm ready. Now I'm gonna pack my handbag really quick. Oh my god. Huh? Yes. Lose money? How much? How? How?
Making video content.
You're finished.
You know what I was doing?
Stand here.
I was, I was sending money. So when I after sending the money in Wise, like yesterday I did, like how we did. After sending, I by mistakenly gave a wrong name in my Wise account. Like this Sonia Biju it is. Come, we'll go. I am ready.
You are ready like this?
I will not need it. I am wearing the skirt and top yesterday.
So I'm not planning to buy anything because I actually have no money at the moment. I'm broke, so since our going didn't work out, we're just going to
I don't want to get my teeth. I need to go out. Go Morrison's. I will reach. Why is this guy waiting? I will try anything. Yay! Homeless! Time to be homeless! We are being homeless! Like, dancer. Na, 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 na.
You scared me.
This one.
No problem. It will.
Oh my god.
I thought you broke my cup.
23 pounds back. She's not even cared. I think you are a very rich person here. But the way you spend and all is showing me. You know what
Showing me that I'm gonna soon be broke.
Is here. Vida is here. Soon we gonna be homeless soon.
Yeah.
Begging money. Hi. I'm so happy that
we didn't get the house. No. So guys, I am finally back home and I'm just lying down on my bed. I'm about to sleep. So I've got this new nightgown to wear it to sleep. This looks really cute, and I bought a new handbag. Let me show you. It's there on the floor, which is of cream color, this one. So you'll see that in detail later. So yeah, this is how my face looks. I've taken off my makeup and I'm feeling sleepy. And oh, I forgot to mention that, as I mentioned, like, you know, we are going out today to see a house to rent, and we could not because for the house the house which we went to see, there were like 3 more customers waiting to see the house. We could not see the house because the agent or the owner of the house did not pick the call, as they asked us to come at 2:40. We were there by 2:30 and no one called us back. It was like all 3 of us were waiting, three buyers, oh sorry, 3 customers to rent the house. All of us went back to home because they didn't call us, you know. So without the keys we cannot really go in and see the property. So it's a bit sad. We don't have a house at the moment. We will soon be homeless because the place I'm living currently, we only have 10 more days to live here, and then we have to vacate the place, and we absolutely have no idea where we're gonna go. So we're actually looking for the house. We'll look for more houses. If you are lucky, or if we are lucky, we'll get like a good house, like the entire house to ourselves. Like, I don't like sharing houses. So if not, I don't know, because if we get a house to ourselves, I can make more videos, I can do vlogs and all. But if not, then I don't think so I'm gonna do any vlog videos, something, I don't know. So yeah, and now I'm gonna go to bed now. It's 10:30 p.m. I look like shit. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.